Hi, this is Sean Henricksen here at the Sean Henricksen Law Firm, where we help good people like you avoid the devastating consequences of criminal charges. Today we're talking about fake IDs and theft, and I'm asking if the state of Texas is actually encouraging minors to steal as opposed to using fake IDs. Before we get to that, we do have a free download for you. It's 5 things you should be doing right now if you've been arrested. If you click down in the description below, there's a link there. If you fill that out, we'll send that right out to you. I had a client not long ago who was arrested for using a fake ID to try and buy some beer. And when I looked into that law, because I hadn't ever represented somebody charged with that before, I found that in the state of Texas, using or even possessing a fake driver's license is actually a Class A misdemeanor. That means if you get caught, you're going to get arrested and charged with this, and you could face a punishment of up to a year in jail. The reason that this stuck out to me is that the punishment for theft is a lot lower. The reason that this stuck out to me is that the punishment range for theft is a lot lower than that for possessing a fake ID. So let's take 2 possible scenarios. One, we've got a kid who's 20 years old. He's trying to buy a 6-pack or case of beer or whatever, and he uses a fake ID and gets caught. He's facing up to a year in jail, or at least it's going to be a Class A misdemeanor that he's being charged with. Now, let's take that same 20-year-old kid, and again, he wants some beer, but instead of using a fake ID to try and get the beer, he decides he's going to do a beer run. He's going to go in, grab a 6-pack or 12-pack or whatever, and just run out of there and steal the beer. If he gets caught in that situation, he's going to get charged with theft, but theft on a case where the value is less than $100 is only a Class C misdemeanor. That's the same level as a speeding ticket. For him to be charged with a Class A misdemeanor, the same level as having a fake ID, he would have to steal between $750 and $2,500 worth of beer for that to be charged as a Class A misdemeanor. It just seems crazy to me that trying to use a fake ID but to buy a 6-pack of beer compared with either stealing a 6-pack of beer and only being a Class C misdemeanor, or stealing up to $2,000 worth of beer to actually get it to that level where you're looking at a Class A misdemeanor. It just seems like there's such a disparity there in the law, and that the law for possessing or trying to use a fake ID should be much lower than what it currently is. Just for the record, as a criminal defense attorney, my recommendation for you is don't try and use a fake ID, and also don't steal beer. If you want beer, have your parents buy you some beer. You're allowed to drink beer with your parents even if you're under 21, and that's a way you can have a beer even if you're not quite 21. If you have any questions about this, or if you're being charged with a crime here in San Antonio, feel free to schedule a free consultation with me. The easiest way is just clicking down in the description below. There's a link there. You can schedule a consultation. We'd be happy to discuss your case with you. Or if you prefer, you can give us a call at 210-942-4997. I look forward to helping you out, and I hope you have a great day.